Hey guys, almost 7 months ago I uploaded a video in which I was unboxing this 6 metal puzzle set, and I never thought about making the tutorial on how to solve each and every puzzle over here. So finally I thought about making a video on this in which I will be teaching you how to untangle each and every metal puzzle. So let's jump right into it. So here we start with the metal set. So we'll start with this one. Okay then. So when you have this puzzle, you will be seeing that there will be like two M's, or you can call a M and a W. So the first step is hold the M metal puzzle straight and the other W metal puzzle like this 90-degree to the M metal puzzle. So when you have it like this, and this part should be interlapping like this part should be on the top, and this should go from the middle of this thing, and you can keep it 90 degrees like this. So this is the position. This is the first step in which the metal puzzle is supposed to be, in which the M is in front of you and the other W is behind 90 degrees to the M. So when you have this, you just take it slowly up, and this front part of the W must go above the M like this. So when you're taking it, you should not take it inside, but you have to take it above, which means this one goes in front of the M and this part goes behind. So you go through like this. When this part has reached the middle of this M, you have to turn this metal puzzle. The whole of this part of the W must go through this hole. So what you do is you just take it like this, put it through the hole and slide it down. So what you do to put back in, same, just slide it the way you bought it out, like this. Now pull it out, bring it down, and that's it. We'll do it once again. First, keep it 90 degrees, bring it to the top, take the front part of the W in front of the M, put it through this hole, straight, and then bring it down. Let's go for the next one. Here is the next metal puzzle. In this one, you can see that there are two L's, which means that the first L, which will be in front of the second L, which means that this is in the front and this is at the back, you will keep the open end at the bottom like this. This is the open end. And the open end of the second L will be on the top like this. So when you're holding it, you're supposed to hold it like this, and this is on the top and this is on the bottom. So after you hold it like this is the first step. You will move to the second step, in which you will bring this front. You will turn it like this and bring it front. After you bring it front, just switch your thumb and hold the closed part of the metal puzzle and turn the right L-shaped metal puzzle downwards, in which both of the open areas are on the opposite side, and you just slide it through this hole. That's it. It was pretty simple. So let's do it again. The first step is holding it like this, in which the left metal puzzle is locked in the middle of the right metal puzzle. The second step is you hold this tight like this, and this one goes back. When you take it back, you hold this part like this and you turn this upwards. So after you turn that, you see that it is on the opposite side, the open ends, and you just slide it out. That's it. Let's go for the next one. This metal puzzle is one of the most simplest metal puzzles. Let's get started. The first step is you have to keep both these sticks which are popping out pointing upwards. The second step is you need to rotate it slowly. So this right metal puzzle should come in front of the left metal puzzle. After you do this, what you do is you slowly turn it like this. So after you turn it, now you know that this one is behind, and after you do that, from this behind you bring this one front. It is like this, you bring it front and try to make it 90 degrees like this. It's just like a key. So it is like this, you bring it to the front and turn it like a key, and we slowly pull this one out. Simple. The same way we got it out, we'll put it back in, take it like this. One more time. This is the first step, in which this part is in front and this part is in the back. You will get the right metal puzzle in front of the left metal puzzle, and then you will turn this piece like this, and the back, the one which was on the right, you will again bring it to the front, turn this like a key, and slowly Slowly bring this out. That's it. So this is the next puzzle. So what you're gonna do is the right metal puzzle must be facing down like this, and the left metal puzzle must be facing the back, which means this bent part must be at the back and the bent part must be lying down like this in front of you. Now the next step is you have to bring the left metal puzzle above this. So this little area, it should go through uh, through through this loop. So you're holding it like this. You will take this through this loop. Now the right metal puzzle will rotate and go through the other loop from the back. Now this left puzzle will go through it and you can untangle it. So once again, you will be holding this puzzle in this position. The loop must be at the bottom. This left middle puzzle must be in front of this, and that the other two loops must be at the back. So this is the first step. The next step is bringing the left middle puzzle through this loop on in the front. So this one loop is done. So when you bring it like this, now it's turn for the right middle puzzle to go through the loop from the back. So you will take the right middle puzzle from this loop like this. Then you have to, the left middle puzzle should come in the front, the right will turn, and this will be entangled. So this was actually a difficult puzzle, and it takes time to learn and understand all the movements of how to solve this metal puzzle. Now this is the fifth metal puzzle, and it's actually the easiest metal puzzle, the easiest of all. So let's get started with this one. So first what you have to do is you have to hold the metal puzzle in this position. The left metal puzzle you have to hold the small circle, but in the right one you have to hold the big one. So when you're holding it like this, the first open side must be at the bottom and on the right hand side, and the next open must be facing the top and on the left hand side. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold it like this. The small circle on the right will go behind the small circle on the left like this, and bring the openings together. When you bring the openings together, twist it like this and pull it out. So it's very simple. Again, you're going to hold it like this, bring it from the bottom. This small circle should go behind the second small circle. Bring the openings close to each other, bring it to the top, twist it and take it out. Now the last and the final metal puzzle is this. The process of entangling the metal puzzle is a bit long. So let's get started. So the first step is you have to hold the metal puzzle in this position. The right metal puzzle must be having this open area at the top, and this one must come from inside of the left metal puzzle and go down. And the left metal puzzle must be having the opening at the bottom, and this one must go through this and face the top. So it is supposed to be like this when both of them are entangled from the inside part. So what is the first step? We'll be taking the right metal puzzle, and through this open area we'll be getting this through like this. We'll get it through. Now this small area will go from the bottom of this long piece. We'll go like this. Now in this case we have successfully taken out this right metal puzzle came to the left. Now you can see that this part has come out like this, but now this piece has to come out through this area. Now the right has become the left, and now both of the open areas are going to be facing the bottom. So both are facing the bottom, and now the first step is you will take this right metal puzzle which this part has already come out of the small area like this. So you're gonna first you're gonna catch it like this and turn it and bring this open area to the side of the left metal puzzle, slide it through this area, and now this comes out, and after you slide it through there you can slide it through the open side. That's it. So first we have the right on the opening on the top and the left opening at the bottom. So first what we'll do is we'll take the right one and put it through the left small opening like this and push it downwards like this. When you push it downwards, you will have this one which you have to take from this side to this side and now we have successfully gotten this metal puzzle out of this area. Now we have the last one, in which we'll be taking the half entangled metal puzzle on the right hand side through the left. So what you're gonna do is take this right, rotate it nicely, bring the open end to the top, and now this open end will travel through the sides like this, and it has to travel, and through the next open end you're gonna slide it out. That's it. And this is how we have solved the last metal puzzle. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope you understood everything and hope you'll enjoy. So if you like this video, give the video a like, and if you have not already done so, subscribe to my channel for more. And if you have any doubts based on these metal puzzles, you can leave a comment down below, and also leave a comment down below what you want me to teach next. If you want to watch my previous video, click on this, and if you want to watch the metal puzzle unboxing, click on this. And to subscribe to my channel, click right here. So stay updated for more videos, and until then, keep solving.